Alright, so how to take this second pin, the caliper, when this is on the way. Make sure you check the wheels. Protect your car. I'm gonna try to, with another jack, raise this part up and raise the pin. That way I could get this bar out of the way. Let's see if it works. It's pretty high at this point. There you go. Just get the new one in. Make sure you put some grease on it. The silicone brake parts lubricant here. Make sure it slides in and out easy. Otherwise, one of the pads is gonna wear out faster than the other one. Put some of these here too.